Good morning. It's Wednesday, April 16th, day 3 of our 5-day series on taking your ego out of your marketing. I hope to make you really uncomfortable when we return. There's an expression that no growth occurs without discomfort. And that's the topic of today's podcast as we continue to look at ways to remove your ego from your marketing. Now, this is based on the 5-point list that was a blog on Hubspot. And point 1 was listening more than you ask. Make sure you're entering the conversation, not leading the conversation. Today, we're going to talk about how doing what you've always done will get you what you've always gotten. And you have to let go of your ego, which tells you that the way that you're doing it is fine. And, stepping onto unfamiliar ground is uncomfortable. For instance, it may be hard for you to give up your traditional Yellow Pages ad. But as I wrote in my book that you can get right now for free, moreandbetterpatients.com, the patients that you want aren't looking at the Yellow Pages anymore. Now, it may be hard for you to trust in search engine optimization because how it works is very complicated and it's unlike anything that's ever come before in terms of how you get yourself in front of the patients that you want. Your ego tells you that you should stick around to what you know and stay away from what you don't understand. Your ego wants you to tout yourself, your equipment, your staff, your training, your expertise. But you have to let go of all of that. You have to be willing to take a few risks, calculated risks, and feel uncomfortable if you want to move past your current position. Because like what I just mentioned, if you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to keep getting what you're getting. If you want to know how to attract the patients that you want, you've got to make a change. You've got to do something different. Leave a comment below and let me know some of the risks that you've taken in your marketing campaign and how it's worked out for you. Maybe I'll highlight some of the good ones in a future podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.